My name is Mark Burley, and we realized that we needed a new roof. Went with Master Home Solutions. Initially, the pricing and everything, they offered a shingle that was GAF, and I used to be in construction, so I know the GAF products are the best. And so we went with that because the product that we had on the roof previously was not GAF, and it looked it. So anyway, they came out from start to finish, and they had difficulty because of all the rain we had this year, and had to reschedule, but they stayed on top of it, and finally got a day or two that they could come out and take care of things, and they did from start to finish. There was even an issue with a skylight that Velox wasn't making any longer and had to be replaced also. I can't believe it, but in a day or two they found it and they got it. So there was only like one available. Got really fortunate that way too. Cleaned up great, and we're really happy with the product.